If your plastic parts keep coming out warped, cracked, or full of sink marks, you might be using the wrong injection molding service. Hi, I'm Kyle from First Mold. The truth is, a real partner doesn't just make parts, they save your project from costly disasters. To the creators designing brilliant products, we know your nightmare is seeing your vision ruined by manufacturing limits. That ultra-thin phone case, without early intervention, it warps. That snap-fit mechanism, mold misalignment causes jamming. Here's how we co-engineer success. Before cutting metal, we simulate how plastic actually flows in your design. Before you commit, we flag trouble spots like weak ribs or trapped air. Instead of expensive reworks, we adjust gates and cooling in the virtual world. While we deeply admire shops that excel in specializing in a single area, we take pride in serving innovators across diverse industries. That medical housing requiring ultra-smooth finishes? We achieve medical-grade surfaces through precision mold polishing that eliminates bacteria-hiding micropits. Even consumer electronics with delicate matte textures. We offer dozens of surface treatments to deliver consistent tactile quality across 100,000 plus parts. And when we say precision, we mean it down to 5 microns. That's 1/20th of the human hair. How? Our mold engineering holds tolerances at levels that would satisfy aerospace standards. But real quality happens during validation. Our CMM machines scan every critical dimension with laser accuracy. From concept to mass production, we become your engineering powerhouse. No more guessing games, no more costly reworks. Bring us your most ambitious plastic project, and let's engineer certainty together. Start with a free design review at firstmold.com.